how to find and see your call history on Microsoft Windows 10. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to see your old or your history of your calls on Windows. So all what you have to do is go down, click on this start button, click here on settings, and it will take you to this page. Click on privacy, and now all what you have to do is scroll down, click on call history, and from here you can change the access history for the device. You can also allow apps to access your call history from here. You can enable it or disable it. You can also choose which apps can access your call history. It's actually very easy to manage. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.